Firstly, you would want to cream together your butter and your sugar, and I'm using the Life Block butter, but any butter will do. And you would want to cream that for around 2 to 3 minutes until light and fluffy, and you can do it by hand, but I just did it with an electric mixer.
Take it faster than a heartbeat.
Then you'd want to add your milk and mix everything together.
Nobody was watching, but it's so hard to get.
Then you'd want to add your vanilla extract, and I always just eyeball this and mix it all together. In a large cup, you would want to mix together your flour, your baking powder and baking soda, and then add it to the wet mixture and mix it all together until it's combined. Then you want to roll out 1 to 2 tablespoons of dough into a bowl and roll it into the cinnamon sugar mixture and place it on a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper, and then you want to place it in the oven for around 10 to 12 minutes. After taking them out of the oven, you would want to let them cool for around 5 minutes before transferring them on a wire rack to cool completely. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this recipe. If you do end up making it, don't forget to tag me because I would love to see your creations, and I'll see you next time.